Good morning on this rather chilly Wednesday morning here in Bushy. Everything is frozen, so we're just spreading a bit of salt, trying to make it a little less slippery. First client's just turned up with his African twin in need of a bit of trot TLC. He doesn't use this for what it's made for. Does off-roading on it quite a bit, so he thought he would treat it to a little trot love. More than anything, get some protection on it. So we're going to do a full Monty valet on this, see if we can do something with that exhaust, get these wheels all minted up. Probably put a bit of paint on these spokes because they're all corroded. These early ones, the spokes didn't hold up very well. Put a bit of paint on that exhaust, see if we can clean all this back end up. It's pretty filthy. And then I'm going to do a little machine polishing on this bodywork, see if we can get rid of a few of these marks, get this windscreen all, oh gosh. Like I said, he does use this for what it's made for, so it is expected to be looking a little sad, but it's in some good hands. So we're going to do our little bit on it, get some XCP corrosion protection on it, get all that old chain lube off of there, and get it looking a bit better. Let's get cracking. There you go, 3 and a bit hours later. I've done what I can with this African twin, looking 100% better. Ended up having to paint these wheels. They were all chipped up, the spokes were red rusty. Polished up that exhaust, all the motors got XCP on it, all the back spokes, wheels, all been done, XCP'd, looking far better than it did. Nice bit of shine on the old paintwork there. Just did a 2-stage machine polish. Like I said, this does get used for enduros, so it is expected to have a few marks here and there, but at least it's got some fresh protection on it.